Hello everybody, here we go, the final at long last. So very intriguing race, with some hiccups, a few tangles, a little bit of oh lads, just watch, it's nuts. Like, I don't have a great result, but my god, I push until I push myself off the track. The age-old saying. So we're on a wet setup, wet tyres that are kind of intermediates now at this stage. Rain's coming down, lovely lads, absolutely lovely. And let's go into the first corner, make it around it, that's the key. One nearly went out wide. Around the outside of everybody. There's Aidan Collins in front of us. Go on, you boy, you Aidan. There's Colin O Callaghan. Keep an eye. Keep an eye. Oh, lads. Into the chicane. Down the inside. Takes Colin O Callaghan. And Colin pushes up into him. Oh, we got tangled up. We got tangled up. His wheel is stuck in mine, and lo and behold, I'm in last. Oh, Paddy last. He's no Jimmy first. Oh my god. It's gonna change my name. That just does not want to go in. So now just press, push, try and catch up and see how we go. That's the aim now, and I was a little agitated with myself for getting tangled up. I can't blame Colin for it entirely because my car just didn't turn in, and even though, and look, you cut me up. You didn't have to cut me up. Now it's a drag race. I'm into the corner first, but we're pushing it out wide. You could go in. Oh, there we go. There's one fella up the inside now. Oh. Whiteriver Drift. It's part of the Drift series. This time out it's Whiteriver. Unreal. Flat out. Trying anyway, even though it might not look like it, but the foot's down. Trying to use that curve, I know I shouldn't be, but when you've got no front end grip to steer in like this, spin-a-rooney, Booker T, third cousin once removed, unbelievable. Oh my god. But it's not over, lads. Until it's over, he says, and it was at this moment he knew he fucked up. Don't know what happened there, lads, but the chain came off. Might have been just the way I jumped onto it and pressed the accelerator, but no brake. No accelerator. Insane. No accelerator, no chain. What am I talking about? There's all the boys just zooming past. So then I'm just trying to get the chain back on just to... I realise I'm not going to overtake anybody now, and I just be saying to myself, right, let's just finish. Now back out now. Just had to get just get it across the line now. That's the name of the game right now. Like, it's just try and get some form of points on the board from this weekend. Be it 14, that's all we got from this weekend. But 14 is better than the 0 that I got in Galway because I didn't show. So we're lucky that we get 2 drop rounds this year, because I'm going to drop the Whiteriver round, I hope, and this is the first round in Galway, which is actually round 3. The first out in Galway out of the 2. I'd like to think that I pick up the pace. Hey, right, Roddy. There's Brian. Can't remember the guy's name in second there, or presumably second he is. At least I got some footage with the head, lads. On the boys! Look, I'm just taking off. Crazy. It's amazing what a right setup and a bit of grip can do for you. What? There was a lad behind me and I was trying to let him by. I fucked myself. Pardon my French. I ruined the line and did that to myself because like I went offline and went back online and I could have caused an accident if there was somebody coming at any rate of pace. But that's the guy there that just went past that I was trying to let go by. There's a big grid today at this one actually in fairness. So there's what, 15 road taxis out. Decent crowd. I think it was the most we've had at the races all year. Sure, holding. Slowly does it. Just take her home, buddy. Spin up there. Just trying the best with what we have, lads. Get her home. Doesn't want to turn it. We're fighting that we're doing. The amount of steering input is just crazy. Drift. Love it. Oh, was he on so close to spinning? Michael Flackley's proud, lads. He's a very proud man. Got a very broad range of family. Michael Flackley's third cousin. Booker T's third cousin. All once removed, by the way. Twitchy. There's Colin going around to lap me for the second time, I'd assume. I ended up 2 laps behind everybody, well the leading pack anyway, so unless Colin had any spins himself, that was the second time. But there's Aiden. Go on, Aido. Aiden had a very good weekend that weekend as far as I can remember. Came maybe second or third. Here's the next 30 going by us as usual, just like the rest of the boys. Oh, we had a spin. Who was that? I didn't get to see it. Somebody in a cosmic, possibly Roddy. Could be wrong. And then I go and get the lap back off Aiden. Thanks very much, but give him the thumb, yeah. Safest man on track, lads. Ridiculously safe. And so fast. Aiden is another man there that's ridiculously consistent. His times are always on point. If I could get a fraction of the pace off him, I'd be saying that we did have to get a back-to-back 4th place finish with Aiden's assistance at the last 2 races. There's another X30 gone by us. Match up from speed. Had to back off that a little bit there, nearly clipped him. Jeez. That wouldn't have been good. Oh, another spin. There we go. There we go. Gonna do a little spin completion. Whatever you want to call that word. Huh. Downside is the video will probably be about 2 or 3 hours long. I was very impressed impressive, that 360 spin that I did there in Heat 2. Ah, perfection. Max Verstappen might have been proud of that one too. Did some spin in the weekend in the Hungarian Grand Prix though. Still manages to pull out first. I just can't mimic him coming first. That's a distant memory or a distant dream winning a race. We'll get there. Very challenging and tricky conditions today. Very slippy. Look, couldn't have said it better. Couldn't have said it a better time. That's all now. Probably 4 spins. And give it a thumb up. Oh, the race must have been over. That's what it was. That's when he uses my excuse. Yeah, the race is over. I didn't even see the checker. Giving the L Marshals a thumbs up. Say thank you. Always thanks very much to the marshals and everybody that runs the events, lads, because without the marshals we're not safe on the track really, because the boys are always there to wave the flags and keep everybody in check, you know, so big shout out to the lads. Thanks very much everybody. I'm hoping it was just if it wasn't, what were you doing with your thumb up? Ah, it is, yeah. That's it. Alright. Colin, are you struggling? Ah, you got her going, buddy. Keep her let down. Run! Holding up the show. Look at the inters. Look at the inters we're running. Watch me nose cone. Last thing I need is a 5-second penalty. I'll be lapped again. Jeez. And he gets to go ahead. Look. That's only that's a dream following him one day, lads. That's a dream. Come on, Colin. Run. What's up? Kieran's here bitching and moaning. Last thing you need is Kieran giving out. Jeez, he never stops, does he? Some man. I think we finished P15. There's no thinking about it. Unless we got another 5-second penalty or something, we might have ended up 16th. They'll invent another. They'll pretend that there's another person on the track just to pretend Paddy last. That's who was after being put in. But yeah. At least we got a home, lads. That's what it's all about sometimes, when you know you're not going to finish in a good position and you know you're not really good enough to be competing at the top. Sometimes it's just a case of getting it across the line just to say you did it. You know, it's part and parcel of racing. You win some, you win none, you lose them all. But a win is finishing. Because if you don't finish, you can't win. So that's that. We're actually fresh out of the weekend gone was Galway, lads. I'm that excited about them videos in Galway, I'm not even going to say a thing. Watch this. It's insane.